Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility. And here select flash notifications and just to turn on this button against incoming calls. Now you will get flashlight notifications when the screen is turned off, and the real camera flash will blink when the event occurs. Okay, so if you make sure that this button is turned on, that is incoming calls button is turned on, flashlight will blink when your phone screen is off. Now I am going to check a screen of my phone, and I am going to make a call from another number, so I will receive incoming call and see in the back side. See in the back side, camera flash is blinking. Okay, so in this way you can easily set flashlight notifications. Okay, I got the call, but this flashlight will not blink when your phone screen is not turned off. Okay, now phone screen is on. Now I am checking how it works. Okay, whether it is working or not. Now it will not work, because when phone screen is turned off, then only rear camera will blink. But even though incoming calls button is turned on, you will not get flashlight because your phone screen is not off as of now. Okay, I decline this call, and yes, I am checking once again when my phone screen is off. What will happen? If I receive any incoming call, I can see the flashlight blinking in the back side of my phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.